front of me is VIVO Y35 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this VIVO. First of all, go into settings and scroll down right away. Then choose security section. Now tap on screen lock. Select one of those login methods by tapping on the best one for you. Swipe pattern pin or secure password. And then create it. When you're ready, tap on next at the bottom right corner. Repeat it and choose confirm. Over here, tap on the best option for you to answer the question how do you want the lock screen to display your notifications. Show all notification content, show sensitive content only when unlocked, or don't show notifications at all. I will go with the last option, so have to click on it and select done. Now when I go back, switch off my screen, then turn it back on. Icons that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!